Hi, and welcome to Uncle Scott's Kitchen. Today I want to talk about a subject that's very near to and dear to and possibly clogging up my heart, and that is bacon. Heart-healthy bacon. Now recently I've done several videos on carbon steel skillets showing people how to get them initially seasoned and up and cooking. In the comments section of one of those videos, someone wrote in and said, I followed your directions, I got my pan seasoned, it passed the fried egg test, but then I cooked bacon and the bacon stuck. What am I doing wrong? Well, today I'm going to show you how to cook bacon in a carbon steel skillet correctly. We're going to cook it and it's not going to stick. And then with all that bacon we cook, we're going to make a delicious BLT sandwich. For a delicious BLT sandwich, you know what you need? A delicious locally grown tomato. And what could be more locally grown than one I grew myself out on my own deck? I'll just pop out and pick one right now. Okay, the reason people are having trouble with bacon sticking in their carbon steel pans is they're cooking at the wrong temperature, specifically starting out. Now, the secret to cooking bacon correctly in your carbon steel skillet is simple. Start with a cold pan. Now what you want to do is go ahead and put your bacon in the pan. Put it in cold. It's okay if you crowd it a little bit because it's going to shrink up as it cooks. Put the pan on the eye, turn your burner on low, and just wait. After about a minute or two, you're going to see it start to almost melt, and then it's going to start sizzling. Now, one of the misconceptions with carbon steel skillets is that once you get them seasoned, that they're completely non-stick, like a Teflon type non-stick, or something you might see on a late night infomercial. That is just not the case. You're still going to have to use some oil and fat when you cook. So by starting in a cold pan, what we're doing is allowing some of that bacon fat to slowly render out and get the pan all greased up before the pan comes up to temperature and the meat starts sizzling. So we're really cooking with oil, we're just taking the time to get the oil out of the bacon. For that second batch, you don't have to restart with a cold pan. There's plenty of grease in the bottom of the pan at this point, and you can just go ahead and pop the second batch in, and it should cook without any sticking whatsoever. And how did the bacon turn out? This guy seems to like it. So I just kind of like the plain old simple BLT. Got good bread, good lettuce, mayonnaise, a stack of bacon, and a good old deep winter supermarket tomato. Now, as always, if you've enjoyed the video, I'd like to ask you to subscribe to the channel. If you didn't enjoy the video, please subscribe anyway. Do your good deed for the day.